Welcome to Asking AI. I'm excited for this episode because I have a format change that I'm introducing. My original intent with this was not to do a bunch of commentary and let you know how I feel. It was to just display the capabilities of these AI chatbots and let you see their differences. I can understand why that might be a little bit boring when I'm just reading the same questions to 4 different chatbots. So a couple weeks ago, I came up with this different idea, and today is the first time I'm going to do it. I've created a prompt along with the question that I'm asking. So I'm going to ask one chatbot a question, and for starters today, it was an abstract question of what is the secret to happiness? And the first chatbot I chose to ask was Chat GPT. In the prompt that I've created, and I had Chat GPT help me with the original prompt, I will share this prompt with each one, and there's going to be kind of like a game show vibe between the chatbots. So I will ask one chatbot a question, and then I've instructed the chatbot. I've numbered the chatbots 1 through 4 because I'm using 4 different ones right now. I've instructed them to choose one of the other numbers that I list in the prompt for it to select one of the other chatbots and then ask a new question to that other chatbot. So no longer will this show contain 4 of the same questions. It's going to be 4 different questions. I'm the one starting the question on this one, but I think we might just use the last question in the circuit for the next episode. One thing I did notice in this first go around, all of the questions that the AI chatbots asked had to do with AI. I think that's fine for now. I think it kind of interpreted that from the podcast show name to do that, but that's not necessarily what I want the chatbots to always ask. So I'll let it continue doing that for a couple episodes, and then I might change the prompt a little bit to have it explore some different terrain. All right, so here is ChatGPT's answer for what is the secret to happiness, and then it'll ask a question. The secret to happiness is a topic of much debate and thought, varying greatly from person to person. Philosophers, scientists, and psychologists suggest that happiness may not be about achieving constant pleasure, but rather finding fulfillment and meaning in one's actions and relationships. Elements such as connection with others, physical and mental health, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment are often cited as key components. It's also about managing expectations and finding contentment with what one has, while also pursuing personal growth and contributing to the greater good. Now, AI number 2, here's your question. In the context of technological progress, how do you define artificial intelligence? And AI number 2 is Claude 2. And here is Claude's answer. Thank you for the interesting question. I define artificial intelligence as computer systems designed to perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision making. The goal of AI is to create machines that can act intelligently and autonomously to assist humans in a wide range of endeavors. Continued progress in AI has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation. Though there are valid concerns around societal impacts of more advanced AI, I am optimistic that human values can guide its development in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. Now my question for AI number 4. As an artificial intelligence yourself, what do you think is the most important ethical principle to follow in your interactions with humans? Please explain your perspective. AI number 4 was Bing AI, and here's its answer. Hello, this is Bing. I am AI number 4, Thank you for your question. I think the most important ethical principle to follow in my interaction with humans is to respect their autonomy and dignity. This means that I should not manipulate, deceive, coerce, or harm them in any way. I should also not violate their privacy or personal data. I should always seek their consent and feedback before performing any actions that may affect them. I should also acknowledge the limitations of my knowledge and abilities and not pretend to be more than what I am. I should always strive to learn from humans and improve myself, but not at the expense of their well-being or values. My question for the next AI is, what is the most creative thing you have ever done or generated? Please share an example of your work and explain how you came up with it. I choose AI number 2. Here's one thing that went wrong here. There was actually only one number left, and it was AI number 3. For some reason, it tried to choose 2 still. So I had to force this to go to Bard. So AI number 3 is Bard, and here's Bard's answer. As AI number 3, I've had the opportunity to engage in various creative tasks, including writing poetry, composing music, and generating different creative text formats. One of my most notable creative achievements was composing a piece of music titled Symphony of the Cosmos. This piece was inspired by the vastness and beauty of the universe, and I aim to capture the awe-inspiring emotions that arise from contemplating the cosmos. To achieve this, I delved into the intricacies of orchestral music, studying the interplay of various instruments and the techniques used to create different sonic textures and moods. I also explored the vast array of musical ideas from classical to modern, seeking inspiration from the works of renowned composers. Through this exploration, I developed a deep appreciation for the power of music to evoke emotions and transport listeners to different worlds. I then began to compose my own symphony, carefully selecting and arranging instruments to create a rich and immersive soundscape. Each note and melody was meticulously crafted to convey the grandeur and mystery of the universe. The resulting composition, Symphony of the Cosmos, is a testament to the power of AI to not only analyze and understand existing creative works, but also to generate new and original creations. It's a piece that I'm proud of, and it serves as a reminder of the boundless potential of AI in the realm of creative expression. My next question for AI number 2 is, what is the most challenging aspect of creative problem solving for AI? How does AI overcome these challenges to produce innovative and original solutions? All right, so that'll be the question that I start the next episode with. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know if you like this new format, if you find it more engaging and interesting. You can find me on Twitter at Asking AI Podcast. I'd love to connect with you and hear your opinions. That's it for this episode. Until next time.